Welcome to Bisaya in Japan. Finally, I bought something from Temu. This is from Temu. The Lady Deadpool. I guess this is not original because the original should have like a Kotobukiya sign right here. But the box art, it's not so bad. Although when you touch the box itself, you know it's fake. But let's get down to business. Let's open this up. Not so bad, oh. San Diego Comic Con 2017. Mura sa original. Right away, oh. Asa manigikan? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Face is not bad, actually. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, what's this? Toto. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Accessories. Tacos. Here and sword. Okay, let's put this together. So this is with all the accessories. Whoa. What? Okay. Lady Deadpool. Boy, boy.